Okay, the goal for the final question on exam 2 was that I wanted you to choose one of the following 3 questions. A lot of you did all 3 of them, and I guess maybe you were hoping that we would grade the best, but we just wanted to grade the first one. So in the future, please take more time and just choose the one that you want to do. So the first choice was use trig identities and appropriate derivative rules to derive the derivative of the secant of x. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to derive the secant of x, so I'm going to use the trig identity that the secant is 1 over the cosine. Then I'm going to use the quotient rule as the appropriate derivative rule because this is a quotient. I could have said cosine to the -1, might have been easier. Anyway, it's the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom divided by the bottom squared. Well, when this is 0 minus a negative, you get sine of x divided by the cosine squared. So I can make that into 2 fractions, sine of x over cosine x times 1 of cosine x, and you get the sine over the cosine, which is tangent, times the secant. If you left it in this format, that should be fine. It didn't say that you had to put it in any specific format. So, however, this is the one that you see it in most often.